Hi, I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. Today I'm going to answer a viewer question. The question is, I'm dissatisfied with the lawyer handling my personal injury case, and can I switch to you guys? This is a question that we hear actually quite frequently. It turns out that a lot of people are dissatisfied with the representation that is being provided to them by their personal injury attorneys, and every month we probably get a handful of people that contact us and they want to switch to our law firm, and I'm always hesitant to take over a case from another attorney because in my experience quite often the situation is not that the attorney is screwing up the case. In my experience, it's more often than not that the attorney doesn't have practices in his law firm to handle, to basically provide good customer service, and usually it's a customer service issue. The biggest complaint that I hear from people is they have questions about the case, they call the attorney's office, and they leave messages for the attorney, they never get a call back, they don't know what to do, and so they want to switch to us because, in my office we have things set up so that people get answers to their questions and have access to their attorneys and case managers and paralegals. And so, we try and focus on customer service, and my observation is that customer service, client services, is not a topic that is taught in law school. So unless you're going to an attorney or a law firm who has some background in customer service or client service, or some, business-related education that taught them about good customer service, if you're going to the average attorney who has, a legal background, who has legal training, they don't have any idea about customer service, and you may find that you're dissatisfied with your attorney, even though they're a great attorney, even though they're a great lawyer. And so, what I tell people when they ask us this question, can we switch to you? What I tell people is, I think you owe it to the attorney who you have. If your complaint is something like, I'm not getting a call back, I don't know what's going on with my case, the communications is not there, I think you owe it to your attorney to make an appointment, call his office, talk to his assistant, talk to his secretary, talk to his receptionist, and make an appointment to go have a sit-down meeting with that attorney, a face-to-face meeting. Go in and explain to the attorney what the problem is and how you feel about it, and tell them, give them the opportunity to give you good customer service. Give them the opportunity to improve. You may find that the reason the attorney wasn't calling you back is because he was in trial. And I used to do a lot of criminal defense work, and if you get a capital murder case, you may be in trial for 8 weeks. And if you're in trial for 8 weeks and your client's life is on the line, you're not going to be calling your clients back. So you may find there's a reason why the attorney hasn't been responding. Give them the opportunity to make amends. Give them the opportunity to understand what the result is for you, the client, and give them the opportunity to improve their customer service and solve the problem. And then if you still aren't getting satisfied as a client, then call us and let us give it a shot at trying to provide you good client service. So that's my thought on this question of, I'm dissatisfied with my lawyer and can I switch? Give the attorney another chance, explain to them, articulate to them what the problem is, and see if they can fix the problem, and if not, then yes, you can always switch if you have an attorney who is not providing adequate legal services. You can always go to another law firm or go to another attorney and get a different person to help you with your case. I'm attorney Ben Schwartz. I hope that you found this video informative, and hopefully you found it helpful if you're having this type of problem with your lawyer. My email address is ben.schwartz@schwartzandschwartz.com. We're also on Facebook at facebook.com/schwartzandschwartz. You can submit a message to us there. If you have a question about your personal injury case, about your attorney, about problems that you're having that you would like to have answered on a video, in a video format like this, please send me an email, please send me a message on Facebook, and we'll see if we can answer your question on air on the internet.